Eva Bravo is an American YouTube content creator and social media personality renowned for her playful pretend play videos, family challenges and vlogs that showcase her bubbly personality and everyday adventures. Little is publicly known about her early childhood beyond her quick rise in the digital space, which began at a young age under the guidance of her parents. Her family plays a central role in her content. Her mom frequently appears alongside her in videos such as shopping trips and pretend scenarios, while her parents manage her social media presence to ensure a family-friendly environment. By 2025, Eva's content has evolved to include a mix of games, stories, and daily vlogs, appealing to young audiences worldwide. She has collaborated indirectly with peers like fellow influencer Tsunami and even featured in TikTok trends set to music by artists like Was Nelson. Her channel ranks highly among hit creators with consistent uploads keeping her engaged community growing. Despite her young age, Eva's authentic charm has positioned her as a beloved figure in family-oriented YouTube content. Eva launched her YouTube journey in 2018 at the age of 2 with her debut video, Eva and Mom in the Supermarket, which introduced her to viewers through simple, relatable family moments. Her channel quickly gained traction with engaging pretend play series like salon visits, toy unboxings and fun challenges involving friends and family.